Welcome back, you guys. Sorry, I got cut off on the last video. We didn't finish number 4, so this is a continuation, okay? Now, you're in luck. I really love number 4. Now, before we start, as a just very quick review, what do you notice out in front of the parentheses? Yep, the fraction. But look at the fraction. Okay? It's positive, I know that. But is it proper or improper? If it's a proper fraction, it's less than 1. 3/2 is improper, it's a value more than 1. Something magical is going to happen with your answer. Let's see what's going to happen. Can you conjecture? You think your answer will stay the same, get smaller, or get larger? Okay, let's begin. Now, boys and girls, what's inside the parentheses? Nice. You'll notice that everything that's inside is going to be affected by that fraction out in front. But do you remember what that 2 will do? Correct. Everything that's inside needs to be split into 2 equal parts. Okay, so let's do that right now. I'm going to draw my 2 equal bars. They're identical, they're the same, they're equivalent, they're congruent. Okay? And in these 2 bars, I'm going to spread out the information equally that's contained inside the parentheses. Notice right here, what do you see? Correct. I want to spread out the 4k evenly into these 2. So how many k's in each? Correct. 2k and 2k. Now what? I need to take the 10, a positive 10, and I need to split them equally into 2. I need to split it into 2 or divide by 2. What do I get? Positive. Correct, 5 in each one. Now we were going to say, Mr. Fuentes, are we done? Well, almost. Look right here. Did I split everything inside into 2 parts? Yes, I did. This says I need what? You're right, I need 3 of them. But look at what I have. I only drew 2, so what do we do? Simple. If it asks for 3, then we will draw 3. We'll have 3. I need to draw 1 more to help you finish the problem. I initially had 4k plus 10. This said to split it into 2 groups. I did that. And this is after I do that, I want 3 of those groups. 1 group, 2, 3. If I group these together, all of these together, how many k's would I have? 2, 4, 6. 6k. If I group the 5s together, there's 3 sets of 5s. 3 times 5. Boys and girls, we're done. Now you're saying, Mr. Fuentes, is it that easy? Yes, it is. But I want you to notice also, inside, how many k's did we start with? 4k. How about in our answer? Did it stay the same? Did it get smaller, or is it more? Yes, it's more, you guys. How about the 10? Did it stay the same? Is it less, or is it more? It's more. Whenever you multiply by an improper fraction, a fraction that is more than 1, your answer will be much more than what we started with. What do you think? Isn't it cool? I'm going to give you one to practice. Inside the parentheses, I have 10r plus 20. And it's going to be multiplied by the improper fraction 3/2. You can pause the video for a second, set it up and work it out. I will give you as much time as you want. And then once you're ready, start the video so that I can work it out with you, or you can follow along with me. Deal? Okay, pause. Okay, welcome back. This is everything, this problem, everything that's inside the parentheses, the grouping symbols, I'm going to split it into two equal regions, two equal parts, two equal portions. Then I want 3 of them. Well, my 2 parts, I'm going to draw right now. And in these bars, I want to fill in 10R equally into both of these. So 10R into both, you're right. How much? 5R and 5R. I need to split the 20 into 2 equal parts. 20 cut in half? Correct. Plus 10 and plus 10. Don't forget your addition symbol, because for me it's more than just addition, it means a positive 10. A positive 10. Are we done? Well, let's look over here at the fraction. Did I split everything inside into 2 parts? Yes, I have. What does that 3 tell you you're going to do? I need 3 of these. Well, I only have 2, so what are you going to do? Yep. If I were to ask you right now, what does all of this mean? What's my final answer? You're right. We need to group the R's. How many R's do I have? 5R 3 times gives you 10 R's. 10 3 times. 3 groups of 10. Now, if you were to ask me, Mr. Fuentes, okay, I don't want to draw. I just want to learn the math or the algebra for it. Super simple. Let's look over here on the left. This is, I divide by 2 and I multiply by 3. When we started out the year, when I started working with you, I showed you a PowerPoint. I created one for you. And I showed you how to multiply a whole number and a fraction. I always multiply on the top, divide by the bottom. Or divide by the bottom, then multiply by the top. Here we go. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5. 5 times 3. Isn't that 15? Correct. 2 divides 20, or half of 20, is how much? Absolutely 10. 10 times 3? 30. It works. Let's use the same logic for number 4. Let's prove it. Let's prove it mathematically, algebraically. 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 3. Isn't it the 6 we have right here? Absolutely. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5. 5 times 3. It works, boys and girls. I hope you're comfortable with the distributive property. And if you really followed along well, you are ready for the 8th grade regarding this concept. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. See you at the next video, alright?